Hello, this is a quick walkthrough of how to set up MIT's App Inventor, which we'll be using in our computer science principles class. Um, Instructions here say that you need to download the MIT App Inventor Companion from the Google Play Store. It should soon be available for iOS, Apple phones, but as of now, January 2019, it isn't available yet. But you might want to check, just do a search at the Apple App Store for MIT App Inventor. Companion. You want the companion. Just to note, there is something called App Inventor 2 free. This is not what you want on the Apple App Store. This is just some videos. This is not going to help you at all. So look for the MIT App Inventor Companion. And you want to do this on, for now, on an Android device. If you don't have an Android device, there's a couple options available. We have a number of ones you can check out from the college. If you're on campus, we'll bring them to class regularly, and you can use them in class and check them out. If you're an online student, check with your instructor, and there might be a possibility that you could check one out for the semester. But there's also a list of relatively inexpensive devices that you can use out for this option. So I'm mirroring my Android device here on the screen. Let me get it up and running. And I'm in the Google Play Store, and I'm going to search for MIT App Inventor. And it's once I just start typing that, it comes up right away. MIT App Companion there. I'm going to click on that. Now, normally I'd install it here and then open it up. I've already installed it, so it just says open. So you would hit install to get it set up. So I'm just going to open it up. And this, oh, I need to log into Wi-Fi. Let me do that. Okay, so now that I've logged into Wi-Fi, this is what the App Inventor looks like. Initially, it's looking for an app to run. So if you get to this point, you should be good to go for the course. Now, if you do want to test this out, I'll just show you a quick information how to do that. The App Companion is the companion to the actual MIT App Inventor site, and that's what this second link is here, the MIT App Inventor 2 website. You'll want to go to that and log in. It will have you log in. You should probably use your Saint Scholastica login. If you have more than one account, you might have to select them. Um, it'll probably start with a blank app here for you. I'm not sure. It opens at the last app you've used, and I'm not sure what it'll do when you have a new app. But you can go to projects and do a start a new project if it doesn't start one, and give it some name. Bone one. And we'll learn more about this for creating apps and stuff like that. But I'm just going to walk you through some of the basics of this today, just so you can try it out and make sure your phone's working. So I'm just going to drag a button onto the screen here, and this will be a button, and we'll see an app that'll have a button on its screen. So we'll do different things with our app. Eventually, we'll have a button there and stuff, but then we'll want to connect it up to our phone. And so I'm going to connect mine up. So I don't know if you can look at my picture here. I have my phone here. I'm going to connect AI Companion, and it puts up a barcode on the screen. Now, if I switch over to my phone, I'm going to click this middle button, Scan QR Code. I'm going to point it at the screen. It's going to read that QR code. It's going to bring in a number, a code for this app, and load it up. I'll just wait a sec, and it will run my app. Now I can click on it and run. So this is my phone running here. See, this is my phone. It's got that app running. So that's what we'll generally do. Now, if something breaks stuff, we can hit a reset connection and break that connection back on our phone. But that's the general idea of the phone, that you will create an app, you'll connect to it, you'll say AI Companion, you bring up your barcode, you'll point your phone, oops, let's run MIT App Inventor again, and you'll hit this scan QR code, point it at your phone, at the thing. You don't have to be very close to it, and it should run the app for you. Now wait a sec, and it will bring up the app. So that's all you need. Again, the main thing here is to download the MIT App Inventor Companion from the Google Play Store, or again, in the future, it should be available in the iOS Store. And again, if you want to test it out, you can using the MIT App Inventor Store, but we'll do that more in Unit 2. Okay, hope you had a good time.